Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to recover the deleted Power Apps application using PowerShell. And also, we are providing some products under courses and services. You can get all those things from this www.spkites.com page. Now, let me just show you how it will be looking like and how you can access that. So here you can see I have opened this page with the URL I mentioned previously. So if you come to here, you can able to see the services that we are providing and also the products. So you can see all the products, the Power Platform products. And if you want to get all these things, you can get a products bundle also. You can open this one. You can able to see when you click on this get bundle, we are also providing some discount on this. So in this bundle, you can get all the IT help desk application, employee leave request application, and travel authorization, expense claim, employee satisfaction survey. All these application you can get along with this 100 plus SPFX solutions also you can get. So we are providing some services on these Power Platform tools like mainly on Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Pages, and Copilot Studio, and also in the SPFX. So if you want any help from us, you can contact us with the hello@spkites.com email. So we can provide solutions for your requirements. Okay, now let's come back to our actual video. So this is the PowerShell command that we are using for recovering the deleted Power Apps application. First, the user should have the Power Platform Admin Center permissions. So then only they can able to recover that deleted Power Apps application. And one more thing, there was a retention policy like 28 days. So if your app is deleted within the 28 days, then only you can able to retrieve that. So if the retention period was over, you cannot able to retrieve that Power Apps application using this PowerShell. So you can go through this official website. I will also provide in the description box below. Here they have clearly mentioned about the retention period, and also if you want to restore anything that was deleted in the Power Platform environment, how you can recover all the steps they have mentioned clearly. So you can go through that. And these are the remaining PowerShell commands that we are going to run before running this one. Why? Because so this command is like will retrieve the deleted Power Apps application when we have provided the environment name and also correct Power Apps app name means the unique GUID. Whenever we are providing that time only this will retrieve. In case if you don't know that application app name, then using this command you can able to retrieve all the deleted Power Apps application, and from that you can retrieve this one. And also if you want to run this command, first we need to connect with the Power Apps account, right? So that's why we are using this command. If you are first time using PowerShell for interacting with the Power Apps, then we need to install these commands also. Let me open this one. So in the syntax you can see, right, get hyphen admin recover deleted Power Apps. For that we need to provide the app name and also the environment name and API version. If you are maintaining the version, you can also provide that version for this one. So here they have given some of the examples on this. They simply provided the app ID and the environment ID. After that, it will recover that. Now to show you an example, I'm going to delete this Power Apps application. So here I have already tried this PowerShell commands to recover my deleted Power Apps application. But in this video to show you only, I'm going to delete one of my application. Then we will see. So this expense tracker with attachments application I'm going to delete. And here you can see this is also giving some warning message like once you deleted it, this action won't be undone again. Okay, let me click on delete. Now the app got deleted. Let me check here. You can see successfully deleted the app. So you can also check once expense tracker. See, there is no application with this name. Now, to run that PowerShell commands, we will use the Windows PowerShell ISC. Let me search for that Windows. We will click on this run as administrator. Click on yes. So I will download this one once again. I have already downloaded this, but to show you only, I'm downloading this. You can see that the downloaded version, it is showing that version and the source, all these things. Let me run the second one. This is the Power Apps Administrator PowerShell. We need to connect with the logged in current user. You can see the installing package is completed. Since I have already downloaded, you can see the following command already available on this. So you can run this one. I have already downloaded this one also. Then set execution policy. And then this is the command. So with this command, we need to connect our account. Now sign into your account, which is having the Power Platform Admin Center permissions. So I have connected. So after connecting this one, let me retrieve all the deleted applications from that. So here I need to mention one more thing. In this command, environment name is there, right? We need to provide our environment ID. So where you can get that environment ID is, if you open this one by clicking this settings, you can able to see the admin center, right? Either you can click on that one or developer resources. If you go, this environment ID will be there. You can choose this one. Just to copy this ID, and in place of this one environment name, just to provide that. Now copy this and run here. Then it will retrieve all the deleted apps. So here you can see it is showing the app name is that app ID and the display name is the expense tracker with attachments, which I have previously deleted, and the created time and who is the owner of that application and last modified time, environment name, everything it is showing over here. Now from this you can copy this app name and provide in the notepad. Anyhow, you already know the environment name. Now we need to run this PowerShell command. In place of this environment name, just provide the that environment name we have previously copied. And then for the app name, copy this app, this GUID, and in place of this, replace it. Now copy this entire command. Let me run here. It will take some time. So you can see the code is 200, means it is successfully recovered that application, and the description is okay, and the headers for recovering that app it has used, it is showing this one, and there is no errors on this one. So if you are getting 200 and the description is okay, means that app is restored successfully. Let's check that once. Let me refresh once here. I will just provide that name expense. You can see, right? Oh, no, not this one. Expense tracker. You can see, right? Expense tracker with the attachment, the restored one. By clicking this one, it is open now. And if you want to edit also, we will try to edit it once. Sign in with your account. Just click on the refresh connection. In that application, I have used these connectors, so that's why it is asking me to connect. So now you can see I restored my Power Apps application saved. So within the 28 days, if your application also deleted, you can restore it using the PowerShell commands that I have used here. In case if you are facing any issues while recovering the Power Apps application, in the comment section, you can comment it. I will also look into that and provide solutions if I can able to give. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video will help you if you are also facing an issue for recovering the Power Apps application that was deleted. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.